Hello and welcome back to my channel. This is John, and firstly, I would like to say thank you so much to all my subscribers, my followers and my supporters, and of course to my students who have been checking out my videos. And if you're new to this channel, don't forget to watch all the other videos, hit like, comment and subscribe, and of course you can also share it to your friends. So as this channel is growing, you will see some ads from time to time, so please don't skip the ads, okay? Thank you. Now in today's video, we're going to talk about something very important that is called distractors. What are distractors? And also I'm going to show you some examples how to spot distractors and how to get higher band score in IELTS listening. Towards the end of this video, you're going to have one sample test that is actually part 1. In 2020, IELTS Listening Section 1 is now called part 1. Okay? You can also check out the description box below for the PDF. Yes, it's free, of the listening transcript. And please prepare your pen and paper because you're going to do IELTS listening sample test. So, are you ready? Let's get started and find out more about distractors in IELTS listening. What are distractors? So distractors are most often seen in dialogues where a speaker says something and is then corrected by the other speaker. It is often introduced or surrounded by, "Oh no, I'm sorry," or "There's a mistake," "I think you got it wrong," or "I think the final one is," or "the right one is," or "it's not, but it's," or "in fact," "I think there's been a mistake," or "I'm afraid." So these are signals that there are some distractors in the listening, okay? So don't be too quick in writing the answer. You have to listen carefully because the correct answer might be mentioned later on and not the first one which you thought was the answer. You will hear different versions of the same information, let's say spelling, or date, or postcode, or names. As you know, postcode has letters and numbers, or just numbers, and spelling of names or places, addresses, buildings, etc. The correct answer may be mentioned last or first, so you have to pay attention to the details. So when I say last, if there are two options, it would be the latter or the second or the first one. We have 5 examples for you to look at. Example 1. You are looking for how many miles, so that's distance. So look at this. So, hello, this is Land Transport Information at Toronto Airport. How may I help you? Oh, good morning. I'm flying to Toronto Airport next week and I need to get to a town called Milton. Could you tell me how I can get there? Milton, did you say? Let me see. I think that's about 150 miles southwest of here. In fact, it's 147 miles to be exact. So it will take you at least, say, 3 to 4 hours by road. So if you notice, we have here the word in fact. So it means, 150 miles is not the answer. But to be exact, it's 147 miles. And that's the correct answer. Example 2. The question is, how many t-shirts did the man order? And we have here the dialogue. Hi, I'm calling to confirm a delivery of 30 t-shirts to my apartment in Waterloo. I see. Let me have a look. Oh, we only have one order from Waterloo, sir, and it's for 13 shirts, not 30. Yes. Did I say 30? Sorry, I meant 13. It is 13 shirts. So you will be confused. What is it? 30, 30, 30. 13, 13, 13. But the correct answer is 13 shirts. You will see this one, not 30. Not is an indicator. Next question, postcode. So you know postcodes are letters and numbers or just numbers. Look at this. The man says, and the postcode is 7755. Not quite. You've got it the wrong way around. It's 5577. So you see the correct answer here is 5577. So you have to be familiar or get used to listening to 7755, 3322, even letters like double F, double V, double X, and whatnot, okay? But of course, W is different. Example 4. What is Linda's date of birth? Look at this. Look, I'm afraid you haven't copied it down correctly. I was born on 25th September 1990. What have I written? Oh yes, I see now. I've got the 25th of the 8th month, but that would make it August. So for you, you might write August 25th, especially so that it's the last information you've heard. But actually, the correct answer was mentioned first or was mentioned earlier, and that's 25th September 1990. Last example, we're looking for place, where, and the position available, or the job here is clerical assistant. Problem, evening lectures. Okay, let's take a look at the advice. It says here, well, there was a position going in the computer lab for 3 days a week. That might be okay. Ah, here it is. No, it's in the library, not the lab. Clerical assistant required. I think it mostly involves putting the books back on the shelves. Oh no, hang on, it's for Wednesday and Friday evening instead. So you see, the correct answer here is in the library. There are other clues here such as there was, so it means this was in the past, but here, no, it is in the library, not the lab. Alright, so with your knowledge in distractors, I think you're ready to try a practice test. My sources are IELTSbuddy.com and blog.ieltspractice.com. You can also check out my official Facebook page, it's IELTS Zone. Check out the description box below for the links. Okay, you may pause the video, get a pen and answer as you listen. The questions will be shown on the screen. Are you ready? So let's start.
Hi, good afternoon.
Hi, welcome to the Carlton Hotel. How can I help you?
We've just driven up from London and we're going to stay here in York for a few days. We'd like to book a couple of rooms.
OK, sir. So for how many nights is that?
We'll be leaving on Monday morning, so let me see, that's 3 nights?
And you said 2 rooms. Who are the rooms for?
I'm here with my wife and 2 kids. They are 9 and 11. Sorry, 9 and 12. The eldest has just had his birthday. So we'd like 1 twin room for the kids and another double for my wife and I.
OK, well, we've got 2 rooms available, both en suite.
Great. How much are they per night?
Let me see. The twin room is £40 per night and the double room is £50 per night.
OK, that sounds reasonable. So what is the total for 3 nights for both rooms?
Let me check. That will be a total of £270.
And that includes everything?
Yes, that price includes tax.
OK. Can I pay by credit card?
Yes, sure. You'll need to pay for the first night now, and you can pay for the other nights when you leave. Or you can pay for all 3 nights now.
I think I'll just pay for everything now, as we'll definitely be here till Monday.
OK, that's fine. I'll just need to take some details from you to confirm the booking. Can you give me your full name?
Yes, it's Michael Fernsby. That's Fernsby.
And what's your date of birth, please?
The 15th of October, 1968.
The 5th of October, 1968?
No, the 15th.
Oh, OK, sorry. And can you give me your address?
Sure, it's 273 Stanton Court. That's Stanton. London WC2D 5JB.
WC2D 5JB?
Yes, that's right.
And your telephone number?
My mobile number is... Hold on, just let me check. I can never remember it. Ah, here it is. It's 08773 879 456.
OK, those rooms are booked for you then.
OK, I know we're a bit out of town here. Can you give me some information about getting into the centre of town? We'll probably head in tomorrow.
Well, you could drive in, but the parking is not great in town. It's difficult to get a space and is quite expensive if you're staying there all day.
Yes, we're thinking of going to look around some of the shops and to look at the wall around the city. So we'll probably be there most of the day.
In that case, you're probably best taking a taxi or the bus.
How much is a taxi?
Into town it will be about £12. Actually, no, I'd say it's around £15. Fares have increased recently. We can book it here for you and it will pick you up outside. It only takes about 10 minutes.
Right, I see. What about the bus? How much is that and where does it go from?
It's only £2 per person. It's not far from here. You go out of here, turn right onto Oak Tree Avenue, and it's about a 5-minute walk down the road. You can't miss it. The bus ride is about 15 minutes.
Oh, OK. Maybe we could do that.
Or you could walk, actually, if you like walking. Part of the way you can walk through the nice park, which is fairly popular with visitors to York. It's about 30 minutes, but it's quite pleasant.
Right, well, there's a few options there. We'll have a think about it. I'll go and get my wife and kids. They're just waiting in the car.
OK, no problem. Thanks for booking with us.
Here are the answers. Did you get it all right? Yeah, did you notice the distractors? Now, if you got some answers wrong, you can download the transcript so you can check out the distractors. Alright, so that's all for today's video, and thank you once again. You can share this video to your friends or to anyone who's learning IELTS. Have a great day.